Alright, here's that compressor split, and here's one of the 3 pistons. And you can see it's got these little tips that ride, because this is what's going around and round. And as it does, all 3 of these are piston going into the cylinder on both sides. Like that, and it's got a little compression ring on it. Yes, that's why your compressor needs oil. Here's the other one. You can see the ring. What it looks like with that little, I call it a swash plate. I don't know if that's the right term. That is what it looks like. And I don't know what this is. I think maybe it is a Nippon Denso, but I have absolutely no idea. I know what fitted. I know this one fitted, but it's old. It's from the 70s, so there's no telling. But those are your cylinders in there. Just get a little oil in there. I don't know, maybe it's been rebuilt. I don't know what that O means. It means, oh shit, this thing costs a lot of money when it don't work. Yeah, it's only one little cut. I'm sure I'll get a few more by the end of the day. Anyway, so that's what a compressor looks like.